Today I'm going to show you how to track motion in After Effects. Alright, let's dive in. First, open up After Effects and import the clip you want to track. Now drag your clip onto the timeline to create a new composition. Go to Windows tab at the top and make sure Tracker is checked. That opens up the Tracker panel. With your video layer selected, click on Track Motion. You'll now see this little box appear. That's your tracking point. Place this box over a high contrast area in your footage, something that doesn't change shape or get covered up, like a button, eye or a logo. Now in the Tracker panel, click the play button. After Effects will now follow the movement of that point through your footage. Once that's done, we are ready to attach something to tracking data. Let's say I want to attach this text to the moving object. First, go to New, Null Object. Back in the Tracker panel, under Edit Target, choose the null object and click Apply. Now the null has all tracking data. Just parent your text layer to the null using the Pick Whip tool. And boom! The text now moves with the object. If you want even more accurate results, try enabling additional tracking options like rotation and scale before you hit track motion. This way, After Effects not only tracks position, but also any rotation or zoom in your footage. And that's how you use Tracker in After Effects like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss out creative tips like this. Thanks for watching and I hope you have an amazing day.